outside, so the light isn't very good there. So let me just go to the other side.
Okay, we're back here. So today I just wanted to talk about nature because it's really cool. So I think you should respect nature and animals because they deserve to have a life just like you. People are killing these animals and that's not very nice. So I'm a wolf and I'm scared that my kind will get killed too. Also, people are chopping down trees and that's not very good for the environment. So please be careful. What we like to do is we like to sit outside and enjoy the nature and the sun, and there's so much pollution right now. So I was thinking of like this new sewer system where you could use the waste for fertilizer and stuff like that. So I think that it could be very good for the environment if we please just be calm to nature and we don't chop down trees because there are animals living in those trees. So that's not very kind. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And share in the comments below what you did to help the environment. Thank you. Bye.